Supercharge your PQ 5 killer hacks. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Tech Tips with Tech Gig Xperts, your ultimate hub for tech insights and hacks. I'm Vikrant, and let's be real, who doesn't want a lightning-fast PC? Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or just tired of that spinning loading wheel, a sluggish PC can really cramp your style. Taming the startup beast. Disable unnecessary programs. First up, let's talk about those pesky startup programs that sneak their way into your boot sequence. They make booting up your computer feel like you're stuck in rush hour traffic, inching forward painfully slow. The culprit, often it's a bunch of programs you rarely, if ever, use, all starting up at once. These programs are all vying for your PC's attention the moment it wakes up, slowing everything down. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+SE to open the Task Manager. This is your control center. Head over to the Startup tab and disable the non-essentials. Focus on what you really need. For Mac users, navigate to System Preferences, Users and Groups, Login Items. This is where you manage your startup list. Here, you can easily manage your startup list, ensuring only the necessary programs launch at startup. This will speed up your boot time significantly. SSD, your PC's need for speed. If you want to experience a significant boost in your computer's performance, an SSD is the way to go. If you're still rocking a traditional hard drive, HDD, listen up. You might be missing out on a world of difference. Upgrading to a solid-state drive, SSD, is like trading in your old bicycle for a high-speed sports car. The difference in speed and efficiency is night and day. Imagine this: near-instant boot times, lightning-fast application launches, and seamless multitasking. And files opening in the blink of an eye. No more waiting around for your computer to catch up with you. SSDs have no moving parts, unlike their HDD counterparts, which makes them more durable and reliable. Which means they can access data much faster. This translates to a smoother and more responsive computing experience. Investing in an SSD is hands down the way to go. It's one of the best upgrades you can make for your PC. Your patience and your sanity will thank you. Say goodbye to frustratingly slow load times and hello to a more efficient workflow. Digital decluttering, free up disk space for a speed boost. In today's digital age, our computers are our lifelines, and keeping them running smoothly is essential. Just like a messy room can make it hard to find anything, a cluttered hard drive can slow your PC to a crawl. Over time, files accumulate, software updates pile up, and before you know it, your system is struggling to keep up. Windows users can utilize the built-in disk cleanup tool, which helps in identifying and removing temporary files, system cache, and other unnecessary data that hogs space. While Mac users can head over to Storage Management to identify and remove unnecessary files. This tool provides a detailed overview of what's taking up space and offers recommendations for freeing up storage. Aim to keep at least 15% of your disk space free for optimal performance. This buffer ensures that your system has enough room to operate efficiently, handle updates, and store temporary files. You'll be amazed at how much smoother your PC runs when it's not bogged down by digital clutter. Regular maintenance and digital decluttering can significantly extend the life of your device and enhance your overall computing experience. Stay up to date, stay secure, stay fast. Updates aren't just about getting the latest features, they're crucial for keeping your PC running smoothly and safely. Regularly check for updates for your operating system and device drivers. These updates often contain bug fixes, optimizations, and security patches. A secure and updated PC is a happy and fast PC, so don't hit that remind me later button. Stay on top of those updates. RAM up your game, optimize memory usage. RAM, or random access memory, is like your computer's short-term memory. If you're a multitasking master with a million tabs open, even a decent amount of RAM can get overwhelmed. Start by closing any unnecessary background applications that you're not actively using. If you find yourself constantly running out of RAM, it might be time to consider a RAM upgrade. Adding more RAM to your system can significantly improve its ability to handle demanding tasks and multitask like a pro. And there you have it, 5 straightforward hacks to boost your PC's performance. Which tip are you most excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our tech-savvy community. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Gig.